numericals based on principle of superposition. Charge of 1 microcoulomb, 2 microcoulomb and minus 3 microcoulomb are placed at the corners of the equilateral triangle of side 4 centimeter. What is the magnitude of the net force acting on the charge minus 3 microcoulomb? Means we have to calculate net force on minus 3 microcoulomb charge. ठीक है. Now on this charge 1 microcoulomb charge is applying the force and 2 microcoulomb charge is also applying the force. ठीक है. इस पे ये भी फोर्स लगा रहा है, ये भी फोर्स लगा रहा है. नो फोर्स ऑन चार्ज C ड्यू टू चार्ज A. What will be its magnitude? 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught 1 microcoulomb 1 into 10 to the power minus 6 into 3 into 10 to the power minus 6 divided by distance 4 into 10 to the power minus 2 square. ठीक है. Direction of this force. What is direction of this force? This is the plus charge, this is minus charge. तो ये क्या करेगा इसको? He is going to attract like this one. So this is the direction of FC, force on charge C due to A. तो कहाँ हो गई? Towards C A. C से A की तरफ है. ठीक. Now force by charge B on the charge C, ये कितना होगा? Force on charge C due to B equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught 2 into 10 to the power minus 6 into 3 into 10 to the power minus 6 divided by 4 into 10 to the power minus 2 whole square of distance. Direction 2 microcoulomb, तो minus 3 microcoulomb को अट्रैक्ट करेगा. दिस इज द डायरेक्शन ऑफ फोर्स ऑन C ड्यू टू A. ठीक. नाउ resultant force will be this one. This one will the resultant force F. Then magnitude of the resultant force F equal to under root FCA square plus FCB square plus twice FCA FCB cos theta. Here theta is how much? 60 degree because equilateral triangle is given. ठीक है. Theta equal to 60 degree and substituting the value of FCA and FCB, F equal to under root 284.93 plus 39.06 plus 569.36, and this F equal to 44.65 Newton. So this is the magnitude of this force is 44.65 Newton. ठीक है, चलिए नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम पे. A charge capital Q is to be divided on two objects. What should be the value of the charges on the two objects so that the force between the object can be maximum? Let this Q is divided into two parts, Q and capital Q minus Q. Let R be the distance between them. Then electrostatic force between them will be 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q capital Q minus Q upon R square, where R is the distance between two charges. For F to be maximum, dF upon dQ equal to 0. So dQ of 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q minus Q upon R square equal to 0. From here we will get 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught R square dQ of Q minus Q. ठीक, now equal to 0 भी. Now of Q into Q minus Q square equal to 0. This Q minus 2Q equal to 0. That is Q equal to Q by 2. That is charge should be divided equally on the two objects. मैक्सिमम फोर्स के लिए चार्ज का डिवीजन इक्वली होने चाहिए, 50-50 होने चाहिए. ठीक, चलिए, थैंक यू.